Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. If your Google Play Store keeps crashing or stopping on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store keeps crashing or stopping. Let's get started. First, open your settings and scroll down to find Apps. Tap on Apps, and from the list, find Google Play Store. Once you open it, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. Confirm by selecting Delete Data. After doing that, open the Play Store again. It might ask you to sign in once more, so go ahead and do that. Then, check if the issue is resolved. If your Play Store is still crashing, let's move on to the next fix. Go back to Settings, open Apps again, and find Google Play Store. Now, tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. Tap OK to confirm. This will restore your Play Store to its factory version. Now, open it again and check if it works properly. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can try updating it to the latest version. To do this, open the Play Store, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, tap About, and then tap Update Play Store. This will install the newest version automatically. If none of these steps work, the issue might be with your Android software. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.